everyone. If you're wondering why I look so rugged, that is because we just landed. We are here in Singapore for the weekend, and so I decided to make a vlog. Right now, basically, I need to eat something, so I'm sitting at Burger King. I don't know, whenever I travel, I feel like I eat 3 times more than I usually do. I don't know what it is. But yeah, we're going to pick my Burger King. I'm going to eat it. We're going to explore the airport a little bit. And then what will we have?
First thing after we land in Singapore, why would you have Burger King?
Because Burger King is halal.
You have something Singaporean,
No.
like Singaporean rice.
Singaporean rice is not Singaporean. So my burger is here. I got the spicy burger, and Singapore's chili sauce is really good. It's like not chili sauce, it's like a sweet and chili tempura sauce. And then I got an iced Milo. So I'm just gonna have this first and then have what Azhar's going to have later.
So you're gonna have both.
Yeah. Okay, so we got past immigration, and now I don't know why we are roaming around the airport, because Azhar is trying to find a train to the city. So yeah, somehow I remember Singapore airport being much more beautiful than it looks right now, and much more fun and interactive with experiences and activities. I feel like we're on the wrong side of Changi airport, because बहुत अच्छा होता था. I don't know.
Side of Changi
I don't know. It just looks like normal right now. So guys, update. हम लोग एयरपोर्ट से जो है वो चल के like an hour ago we reached our hotel, but we couldn't check in. So the check-in is at 3 and it is like 7 in the morning right now. तो हम जो हैं वो सिंगापुर एक्सप्लोर करने जा रहे हैं. मैंने होटल के बाथरूम में जैसे तैसे करके थोड़ा सा मेकअप कर लिया था ताकि थोड़ी शक्ल डिसेंट लगे. आई डिड चेंज माई आउटफिट एज वेल एंड जस्ट टाइड माई हेयर. अभी हम लोग जो है वो कोई टोस्ट दैट आई मेंशन वो खाने जा रहे हैं. दैट अजहर सेड इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी गुड. एनीवे अजहर जो है ना वो इनको यहाँ पे हमारे कैब ड्राइवर को रास्ता समझा रहे हैं. और जनरली थोड़ा सा देसी कल्चर है यहाँ का, बिकॉज पीपल मतलब पता नहीं, लोगों को ज़रा जगह नहीं पता होती हैं. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आप जो भी किसी को बताए वो कहीं ना कहीं से ढूंढ तो लेते हैं कि हाँ चलो पहुंचा देते हैं, कर लेते हैं. बट या वी आर गोइंग टू गेट देयर, देन आई विल शो यू व्हाट वाज द टोस्ट अगेन. याकुन खाया टोस्ट इज. थोड़ा सा ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे एंड देन वी विल वेयर विल वी गो आफ्टर दैट.
After that we'll pick up the car and then Sentosa Island.
Oh, then we'll go to Sentosa Island. Basically थोड़ा सा सीन हो गया. We had to stop somewhere near Chinatown to go have the toast, and the problem is कि हमारा जो ये Uber नहीं, पता नहीं कोई सी ग्रैब करके यहाँ पे नाम है, उसका ड्राइवर था. वो हमने excuse me, हमने सोचा we'll do payment by card. And we don't need cash, because in Australia you don't need cash anymore anywhere. So we were like Singapore should be the same, and I was telling Azhar no, Singapore is not like that, I've been there before. ऐसे नहीं है तो कैश निकाल लो. ही वाज लाइक ना. और अब जो है हमारा ड्राइवर कह रहा है कैश दो, और फिर अब मुझे सुना रहा है कि मेरा टाइम ज़ाया हो रहा है, मेरी चीज़ें ज़ाया हो रही हैं, तुम्हारा मियाँ कहाँ चला गया, तुम्हें छोड़ के मैं उसकी गाड़ी में बैठी हुई हूँ. मैंने कहा तो मैं एक्स्ट्रा पे करूँगी, तो कहता है मैं बहुत सारी सवारियाँ अपनी ले नहीं सकता. अजीब सूरत हाल है. डांट भी रहा है वो मुझे, और मैं बस जो है ना चुपचाप बस बैठ के सुन रही हूँ कि ठीक है क्या करूँ मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सो दैट्स द खाया टोस्ट. एंड हम लोगों ने जो है वो क्लासिक ऑर्डर किया था और फ्रेंच टोस्ट ऑर्डर किया था विद आइस्ड माइलो. एंड लुक एट दैट आइस्ड माइलो. यम. Restaurant, like if I show you guys this restaurant, it is completely filled with people, so I'm hoping कि अच्छा हो. Let me just show you around. So as you can see, like it's completely filled with people, and look at our iced Milo. This looks so yummy.
This stop
And
is Tramway Avenue.
Milo is honestly the best thing about Singapore. And sorry, I'm in a train right now, hence you can hear Australian Tramway Avenue. I think this Milo reminds me of Ovaltine and Milo mixture. I don't know how many of you did this, but मैं जो है वो Milo और Ovaltine and Cadbury drinking chocolate, I used to just eat it. That's what it's reminding me of, and it's honestly very very good. So far. So ये है हमारा नाश्ता. I was telling you the eggs are like extremely soft boiled. This is how soft boiled they are. Look. मुझ जैसे इंसान से शायद खा ही नहीं जाए इस तरह. And then this is the classic toast, I believe. This is the French toast, and we are going to try it and see how it is. There's a sticky thing inside. I can't show you, but
It's butter, and it's this.
it has
peanut
like a
butter
sticky thing in
something.
butter inside. Let's try it.
Bye.
I like this one because there's something nostalgic about it. Do you like Kaya toast?
मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था जो मैंने सिग्नेचर का टोस्ट मंगवाया था ना बटर वाला वो बहुत ड्राई होगा और फ्रेंच टोस्ट थोड़ा सा टेस्टी होगा ऑपोजिट नहीं जो सिग्नेचर था वो काफ़ी अच्छा था और जो फ्रेंच टोस्ट था वो ब्ला
Yeah, I agree. I thought the one that I ordered, which is the French toast, is a bit blah. And then the signature one was actually quite nice because what they did was they roasted or like pan fried the bread up until ना वो पापे जैसा crumbly texture था. And then they put like the kaya sauce, which is like sort of like मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा था sugar cane के molasses होते हैं जो उसका सॉस था, या शुगर केन का समझे अगर आप जैम बना लें. I thought it was
कहाँ
that.
से आ गया पीनट बटर सॉस होगा
That's how it tasted. Like I thought it was that, but it was very sweet, and then the butter that was like salted with it, like the combination was really nice. अभी आप लोग मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं. There's a temple, and don't know किसका temple है, but Azhar wanted to go inside to see, and obviously because I'm wearing a dress I can't really go, so मैंने ज़्यादा जो है वो push नहीं किया कि मुझे भी जाना है. So I'm just waiting outside with our luggage, trying to get him to come back, and then we continue our journey. We go to Sentosa Island or wherever. और मैं देख रही हूँ कि अज़हर सामने से एक स्कर्ट लेकर आ गए. Okay guys, we're basically at Sentosa Island now, and I think that's the one, Azhar. And it's so hot right now. Like I mean, it is so hot कि मेरा जो है ना कुछ भी करने का दिल नहीं चाह रहा. I slept in the car for some time. I feel worse after sleeping. Now I'm just sipping on my Red Bull. यहाँ पे ना Red Bull is like this. I don't know why. Like it looks fake. It doesn't look like real Red Bull, right? Now that, and the Red Bull here tastes disgusting. Literally, like Red Bull, the slim can is one of my favorite drinks, but I don't know why it tastes so different here. Sentosa Island में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं करने को. There's a water park, there's Universal Studios. हम पता नहीं, मैं इतनी लिम्बे हुए हूँ ना, समझ नहीं आ रहा कि हमने क्या प्लान किया हुआ है, because Azhar always tells me what we've planned. But yeah, let's see what happens. So this was Trick Eye Museum, जहाँ पे different sets लगे हुए थे where you could just take pictures, and then after that Azhar and I decided to go for go-karting. I mean Azhar decided, I didn't decide. Azhar go-karting पे गए थे, and there was a multi-level track here that Azhar wanted to try. So he really likes go-karting. Everybody has their thing. Azhar को ना दुनिया के हर जगह पे go-karting करनी ज़रूर होती है. पाकिस्तान में भी उनको go-karting करनी थी. Pakistan का mainly go-karting track is really good. So I waited for Azhar to do some go-karting, and then after that once it was finished हम लोग जो है वो वापस से Sentosa Island में water park जाने लगे. So far guys, my camera is about to die, so I don't know मेरा फ़ोन या कैमरा कितना लंबा चलेगा. Maybe the next time I start vlogging will be with Azhar's phone, क्योंकि हम चार्ज नहीं कर पाए थे फ़ोन. Let's see if vlog complete भी होता है कि नहीं. Okay guys, so we ended up going to Adventure Cove water park. If you see my makeup running everywhere and looking a little, you know, like this, that's because we went there. It had around 7-8 slides. Honestly 7 slides इतनी कोई ख़ास नहीं थी. ऑस्ट्रेलिया के वाटर पार्क ज़्यादा बेहतर हैं in my humble opinion, but इतनी गर्मी हो रही थी कि just going for a dip was probably nice. And now we're going to go to the aquarium. अब हम जो हैं वो कॉफ़ी पीने के लिए पहले बैठ गए हैं. टेक अ कॉफ़ी ब्रेक एंड देन वी विल गो एक्सप्लोर फर्दर.
क्या हुआ?
बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स, जब से हम निकले हैं तब से मेरी टांगों का कचूमर हो चुका है. बट नाउ वी आर एट सिंगापुर नाइट सफारी. आई हैव बीन टू इट लाइक 4 times and I've loved it every time, and now I want to see if I would like it again. It's very nice. It's an interactive experience with like night wildlife. तो ये करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद खाना खाएंगे, and then I think we'll crash. I'm not sure what's gonna go on, but let's see. अभी तो हम पार्किंग में हैं. We're going to go to the night safari. I believe it starts at 8. It is 7:30 right now, and then we will go home. Azhar has never been to a night safari, any night safari. Have you been to any night safari?
सफारी पार्क कराची.
Not safari park कराची, but श्रीलंका में तो गए होंगे. वहाँ पे नाइट सफारी होती है. तो आपने श्रीलंका में किया क्या था?
मैंने श्रीलंका में सारे दिन के काम किए थे, रात के काम किए थे.
And we were just discussing about Singapore in general. So the first time I came with a school trip. So that was really nice. The second and third time I came with my family. That was also very nice. The fourth time I've come with Azhar. This is also going nice. I don't think I'll come for the 5th time. Okay, so we're now waiting for the night safari show. So the first show that we're going to be seeing is going to be Creatures of the Night. Honestly, मैंने ये 3-4 बार देखा हुआ है, and it's one of my favorite shows. Apart from Colors of the Sea, ये दोनों shows जो सिंगापुर ज़ू में होते हैं, I highly recommend and I really like them. Azhar, do you have any expectations?
I really want the bird to fly.
There will be bats flying, not bird.
Yeah, I don't want a bat on my hand. एक bird होनी चाहिए जो कि मैं यूँ कर.
Night time birds will be flying. Bats नहीं होते, लेकिन जितना मुझे याद है, honestly, like I went in 2015. it's 2025, so my
What
memory
if
could
it's
also.
the same bird that flew in 2015 and it recognizes you and it comes straight to you?
I would die. No, the thing is, I have a fear of birds. I do not like birds. दूर से देखने में सही है, लेकिन उनकी जो वो फ्लैपी फ्लैपी आवाज़ होती है ना परों की, I don't like that at all. So, but we're going to show you bits and pieces of the show, and then bits and pieces of the safari, and then let's see what we do next. So that was the turn up at the event at Pinky Theatre, and it was quite full and it was a nice one. Then after the night safari, we did go back to our hotel. This was the Diwali celebration decor that I was wanting to show you guys, because they do celebrate Diwali over here. So that was being celebrated, and it's very nice to see how multicultural everything is. And then once that was sorted, we did pick up some food from Barbecue Tonight, the one that's in Pakistan. You do have a Barbecue Tonight here as well. And this was a little India, so you can see how desi it is. Phoolo wale kambal bhi hain yahan pe, literally. So it's a very desi area, and it looks very desi as well. Just like that, guys, our Singapore day 1 vlog comes to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Actually हमारा दिन काफ़ी ज़्यादा tough था, because obviously Friday was a full day of work in Australia. हम काम से directly जो है वो निकले थे for our travel to Singapore. हमने आई थिंक डिनर भी एयरपोर्ट पे किया था. फ़्लाइट पे इतनी नींद नहीं हो पाई थी, बिकॉज वी वर ऑब्वियसली ऑन अ बजट फ़्लाइट विच इज़ कॉल्ड स्कूट, और बहुत ही फंसी हुई सीट्स हैं. फ़्लाइट का एक्सपीरियंस इतना अच्छा नहीं था, बट नींद नहीं पूरी हुई थी. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली चेक इन टाइम हियर इन सिंगापुर फॉर अस टू चेक इन टू आवर रूम was 3 o'clock. तो फिर हमने पूरा दिन जो है वो सेंटोसा आइलैंड पे गुजारा. But I hope you guys liked it. In case you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and inshallah I'll see you on the next vlog very soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.